Hi, it's Joe from WHR Marketing, and today I'm going to take you through the AMZ Scout Stock Stats tool. So if you head over to the Chrome web store, all you type in is AMZ Scout Stock Stats, okay? And then once you've downloaded that, head over to Amazon, choose an item, and this is where the magic happens. So I've chosen a kitchen knife set, and then if I go up here, okay, this one is the AMZ Scout Stock Stats. So if I just click that, run AMZ Scout Stock Stats, okay, you can choose whether to do only FBA sellers and so on. I'll leave it open. We can see this item has, between all the stores on Amazon, over 1,000 total stock, with the average store having 336 items. So if they've got that many items, that's saying to me this is an item that sells, okay? Right, this is interesting, okay? So you can see that for the same item, you've got how many? 4 different stores, but the items are totally different prices, okay? So that means there's some leverage. It doesn't always necessarily mean the cheapest will win, okay? But you can, if you aim for nearer the cheapest, okay, then you should be able to outsell this person who sells it for £99 when someone else sells it for nearly £40. Why would you pay over double the odds for that? It doesn't make any sense, okay? This person doesn't have any stock left in, so they've sold out, so that shows me that you've got a chance to outsell them. They've got no stock left. Amazon have 999 in stock, okay, they have a lot of stock left for that one, and these only have 7 and 1, so they should be out of stock soon, okay. This is the most interesting one for me, fulfilled by Amazon. Out of the 4 sellers, not one of them are fulfilled by Amazon. So if you set this product up as an Amazon FBA product, if you can imagine all the people who have Amazon Prime like I do, okay, I want something fulfilled by Amazon. I get my Prime, it comes free delivery next day, okay. If you had this fulfilled by Amazon, I'm almost certain that you will make more sales than these other 4 stores. I can't believe none of them have got that, okay, because it's just so much easier. If I'm looking for a knife set, I'm just going to go available on Prime. None of these will come up. They're not fulfilled by Amazon. Prime delivery, I'll just swipe it and I know it's coming the next day or the day after, okay. Then we look at their ratings, okay, they're not 90%, it's okay, it's just about 4-star. 86%, again 4-star. 3-star for the person who's charging nearly £100, okay. But I have a feeling if this was fulfilled by Amazon, okay, you'd be able to get the rating much higher than their product, because you can almost guarantee that delivery, the packaging will be better, okay. So these are really interesting stats, and that is why AMZ Scout's Stock Stats is really useful as part of your winning product research on Amazon, okay. Before we go, I want you to check out our blog if you prefer blogs over video. I've left it in the description below. So we've got an AMZ Scout review, and then we'll take you to the pricing here, because like I said in the other videos, we have an amazing deal that we've got exclusively from AMZ Scout. So we've managed to save our audience $844 on the Amazon sellers bundle, or you can get the Pro extension. But for me, okay, if you get the Pro extension, that's great, but the Amazon seller bundle is just around $10 more, and you get the Pro extension and all of these features, including the stock stats which I just showed you. Lastly, WHR Marketing, we offer a SEO-friendly e-commerce product description writing service. So we've had so many Amazon sellers come to us, and we've optimized their listings to get them ranking on page 1 for their product on Amazon. That's the end of this video. Please make sure you subscribe to our channel. Please like the video and comment what is the best Amazon FBA tool that you've used, or if you've sold on Amazon already, what is the most highly profitable item that you've sold and how much profit did you make. I'm Joe from WHR Marketing. See you next time.